Kulang pa ako, binuhos sa iyo lahat ng pagmamahal ko. Ibig ko na hindi ako sasama, hindi na papadala sa mga matamis mong mga salita. Oh, ibigin ka, hindi na Miss Sara Geronimo!
Darren,
Coach!
grabe ka! Darren, grabe kang bata ka. Grabe.
Mas grabe po kayo, syempre. Popstar royalty coach ko yan, Sara Geronimo.
Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat
I love
po.
you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sara, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming
Of course.
salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala!
Wala
Wala yun! Ikaw lahat yun!
Opo, share ko lang po, of course, when I invited Coach Sara to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-guest po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kunin ko lang yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Ano po? Hi, Sir Sok!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiya mo na ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang every time na nakikita tayo. Sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren.
Thank you
Mahal
po.
na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming
10
salamat,
years!
Coach.
10 years na pala yun! Tangkat mo!
Thank you po. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe.
Galing mo, Darren!
Thank you. Give it up once again for Miss Sara Geronimo. Wow.